guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be riding our bikes and we are going to be going down a trail. It's so awesome. And yeah, here we go. Man, it's like really wet outside, guys. So I'm using a GoPro right now. I don't know how good the quality is. I've never used a GoPro before to like upload something to YouTube. So yeah, it's mounted on my helmet. Yeah, let's go. So basically, this attaches to the back of our backyard. And it's like a trail. Super cool. Yeah. I had to make up my mind. So I wonder if I can make it through like here. Oh gosh. Alright, there we go. Oh, I'm having this problem where if I put it on the there we go. I have a problem where if I put it on the first gear, it literally makes my changes pop out. I don't know why. I'll have to figure that out. And yeah, we're almost there. Yeah. There it is. Oh. So fun. Oh. So cool. And then guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, maybe I'll do another YouTube channel on bike riding. I don't know. And yeah. Hey Preston, go left. Go left. Yeah. This way. Ooh. Over here. Or go this way. Shoot. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
Should we go through that?
We can try.
You good?
Yeah. I was still do it.
Let's see. Here, you stay here. I need to go see how deep it is. Because your bike is newer.
Ooh, nice little van.
I'm gonna see how deep it is real quick, guys. Yeah, that's really deep right there. Or no, over there. Yeah, over there it's gonna be super deep. I think those are alligators. Yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna die by falling in water, so yeah. If you guys want, we'll hit this part of the trail. If we can get like 10 likes, we'll hit that part of the trail. And yeah, guys, if we can get 10 likes, Preston, we'll ride that part of the trail. It's too deep. Hopefully, guys, if you can get like
15.
when we get maybe about 50,000 subscribers, I can see if we could get a dirt bike. That'd be so cool. Or a four-wheeler. Or an ATV. One of those three. Or a side-by-side. ATV and side-by-side are about the same thing. Yeah, let's go, Preston. We'll go ahead and go. Well, that's fun. Guys, yeah, it looks pretty fun. Yeah, 10 likes will go on that. Alright, Preston, what do you want to do?
Hit the ramp a couple more times.
A couple more times? Alright. I'm gonna watch you go real quick.
You want to go look at the houses over there?
The houses where?
Okay.
Oh yeah, sure. I'll hit it one more time too. What?
I want to die.
Yeah.
Should I try to hit the ramp?
No, we're gonna turn around. Actually, no, we're not. Go ahead and go. My bad. My bad call. That was a horrible call. Okay. He'll catch up. Trash. Ooh, a big puddle. Big mud puddle. You know me.
You want to get Emma? What are you doing?
Oh! Tire wash. One last time. We'll go over there. All right, let's go. Oh God, that was a bad idea. Well, oh well, it's fun. Now they're building a house right there, and our house is right over there. I heard it more. There's a golf cart we ride, by the way, guys. 10 likes and we'll also drive that around.
That's what I did.
Yeah, hang on. I'm gonna see if I can. Yeah, I can no handlebar, guys, on the other bikes, which we got rid of. I'm not used to this bike because this bike's newer. Let's see. Oh,
Unless they want to build houses where you could just go down.
I can no handle, like on other bikes. Like Preston had an old bike I can no handle on, but
My mom gave me away.
I'm gonna have to practice the no handlebars. Maybe 5 likes and we'll leave that too. I'll do a whole entire video of me teaching myself how to do no handlebars on this bike.
Yeah, it's
Super hard. Because this bike's a lot bigger than the bike
Yeah.
I used to ride. It's more hard, it's harder. to handle it. But yeah.
Remember that porta potty?
Oh yeah, my friends dumped me over in that. A bunch of blue stuff landed on me.
We're technically still
Charter school. Huh?
We're still behind the pod.
Oh well.
Yeah, we're behind the pod. She said don't go.
Oh yeah.
And got her.
That's about past the park right there.
Yeah, like.
Now I'm gonna show you guys a house that I almost died in. Like for real, not even kidding.
It's haunted.
Like it's haunted. It was haunted when it was being built. We'll tell you a story about that in another video. Yeah. It's literally at the end of the road. It's so funny. A lot of the people, so a lot of houses at the end of roads are usually the haunted. That yellow house down there, guys, that yellow house, that's the haunted
I don't
house.
think anybody lives there.
No, people live there now. It was so scary. So this house, okay, this house right here, guys. Block out the address, but this house is basically haunted.